friends. This is your friend Rahul from techblogcorner.com, and today in this video we will be talking about how to get community tab in your YouTube channel. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So as per YouTube guidelines, you have to cross 500 subscriber marks on your YouTube channel, and it will take around 2 weeks time to activate the community tab on your YouTube channel. It has already been published on the official tutorial page of YouTube help section, and you can see if your channel audience is set as made for kids, the community tab is turned off. So if your channel is only for the kids, then you won't be seeing the community tab, or you are not eligible to have the community tab in your YouTube channel. So to explore where you can find out the community post or community tab in your YouTube channel, you just need to sign into your YouTube Studio account. Once you do that, you just need to click on content, and you will see these. If you are eligible, you will see this third tab, post. Otherwise you will be only seeing videos and live. So you click on post, and I recently got approval for community posting in my YouTube channel. So right now I haven't posted anything, but I if you are eligible, then you need to click on create a post, and you will see this profile kind of interface in front of you, like we used to see in Facebook and Twitter. You can upload images, image polls, text polls, and videos. You can even schedule the post if you don't have time daily basis to come again and again and post on your channel. So it will save a lot of time. I really like this schedule post feature. You can change the visibility from public to unlisted, but I need to check about this. uh, I think this is all about this feature, but definitely you need to focus only on the how to get 500 subscribers so that you can have the community tab on your YouTube channel. This is the simple steps you need to follow. And this is all about this video. Please follow my channel for the next videos. It will help me to uh, create such videos so that you can grow your channel as well, like the way I'm trying to grow my channel. Thank you.